My name is Nova, and I'm a sneaker reseller. With the assistance of bots, I've been able to make a lot of money from the comfort of my home. About 3 years ago, I started the Sneakers to Riches series, documenting my entire reselling process, how I bought my inventory, what I did with it, and how much money I made. Since then, a lot has changed in the world of botting and reselling. Botting has become insanely expensive. Profit margins per sale have been on a downward trend, and the competition has never been more fierce. Is it even possible to still profit in today's botting landscape? That is exactly what we're going to find out. I'm going to document my buying process, selling process, sales figures, botting expenses, and the day-to-day grind of being an online reseller. Once again, I ask you to join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Or maybe there's also a chance that I just utterly fail and lose a lot of money. What will end up happening? There's only one way to find out. Let's do this.